Complete meal plan for two. Enjoy intimate meals with our complete meal plan for two. Perfect for couples or roommates, this plan includes delicious recipes designed for 2 servings. Make meal prep fun and easy with perfectly portioned dishes. The complete meal plan for two offers a variety of recipes that are perfectly portioned for 2 people. This plan includes dishes like pasta with fresh tomato sauce, baked salmon with veggies, and shared desserts. It's designed to make meal prep enjoyable and convenient for couples. For a meal plan for 2, buy in bulk to save on staples like rice, beans, and pasta. Plan meals together and cook larger portions to have leftovers. Shop for seasonal produce and use frozen fruits and vegetables to cut costs. Avoid processed foods which are often more expensive and less healthy. Plan meals that can be easily divided into portions, such as casseroles or stir-fries, to make cooking for 2 simpler.